my channel, and today I am going to unbox Discovery RC T-Rex, and it also comes with remote control. But first, like and subscribe. Now let's unbox Discovery RC T-Rex. So guys, now my mom, she's gonna help me drill these off so that way we can get them on. And then we're gonna put batteries on the remote control. So guys, now we finally got this time dinosaur and the remote control out of the box. So guys, now we are finally gonna see how the dinosaur moves. First, let me turn it on. Okay, it's on. Here we go. So guys, now we're gonna see how far the T-Rex can go. T-Rex carry my teddy. Wait. Okay. Wow. So it did it. It did it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Watch out for my next one. Peace out.